Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. I'm pretty excited about today's project. So Gerri Peter sent me these two plastic masks. I don't know where they're from. I'm assuming maybe the dollar store, but I'm not sure, and they're different. So Gerri had tried, the note says sending you these to see what you do with them. I'd gotten myself a round canvas and glued one on in the middle and then did a pour over it. I think that's a great idea. Since I have two masks, I'm going to try two different things. On one, I'm going to try pouring over the mask and then carefully moving it off and making two separate projects. And then I think on the next one, I will go ahead and glue it down and it will be part of the project. I guess I can always change my mind on the first one too and glue it down later. But let's try this. And, you know, if any of you have suggestions, I'm always open to that. So thank you so much, Gerri, for these masks. I'm very excited. I'm using my Lowly Vefe bowl. Love these silicone bowls. And I'm going a bit different with colors today. I am going to go with some greens and browns. Don't ask me why. I don't exactly know. I just felt like it. So I have a variety of greens here. I have some, that's like a olive green that I made. This is a regular green. And then I think one of these, I don't know, I guess these are kind of all olivey. This is kind of a sage green that I also made. And then we're going to use some gold from Arteza. I don't actually have any just brown mixed up, but this is a metallic brown from Arteza that I really like. And then a little more white. Lighten this up a bit. Okay. And I was kind of thinking of how I might want to pour this on here. Actually, I'm going to throw just a smidge of glow in the dark. Okay. I was kind of thinking of how I wanted to pour this on here. And I usually would do like a tree ring over something like this. But I think for this one, I kind of want to just go a little more haphazard. Just kind of dump the paint on here. And I guess you kind of go in a tree ring anyway, sort of. Or at least ribbons. But I think the next one, I will do the kind of more tree ring look. This is a very different color scheme for me. I normally don't do these colors. I'm going to have to move the mask pretty fast, otherwise paint's already running off over here. I'm going to try to tilt it a little bit with the mask on. Nope, I'm just going to go ahead and move it. So I didn't raise it up or anything. I'm going to have to just lift it from here. I'm going to tilt this a little bit just to run some excess off. Okay, great. That looks pretty awesome. Okay, there's a spot over here that I missed on the mask. I'm just tapping that out really quick. All right. And now I'm going to go ahead and tilt this. Whoop. So, kind of a problem with this is that there's the big blank space in the middle now, and I don't want to tilt too much off of the sides without covering that. Let's do this. I'm just kind of tilting some back into the bowl. Although actually I think I have plenty of paint in here. I'm not going to worry too much. But it's definitely going to affect the design. Okay. I actually really like these colors together. It's funny because I'm right now wearing an olive green shirt. And coming up soon, which is why I have all these greens, I'm doing a color mixing video for you guys. It's been a while since I did one. But I have a greens color mixing video. And then after that, I'm going to be doing a browns as well. Cool. I love it. Okay, I'm going to let both of these sit here for a little bit. I'm going to clean up my space. And then we'll do our close-up. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Actually move this over to a brighter, cleaner drying space. Here is the canvas. I'm actually much more happy with this than I ever thought I would be. It came out beautiful. Had some fun reactions happening over here. Really happy with these colors, surprisingly so. And then the mask, which I'm not sure how that paint is going to stay on there because it's plastic, but I think if I seal it well enough, it should be fine. And I'd probably just use my Rust-Oleum spray on this, and these could be a cool set. I mean, I'm sure it could also go back on the painting, but I don't think I want to. I think these will look amazing as two separate pieces. But like I said, for the next one, I will glue that sucker on there, and it will be part of the painting, which I think will be amazing. So please, please, please let me know down in the comments, A, what you think of this project, and then B, what colors would you like to see for the next one where I glue the mask onto the canvas. And I just want to once again thank Gerri so much for this awesome project. I'll see you guys next time.